Question number 551. Offense of voyeurism is punishable under Section 354D, Section 354C, Section 354A, Section 354B. Correct answer is Section 354C of IPC. Question number 552. The offense of voyeurism under Section 354C of IPC is committed when? Option A man commits the act of physical contact and advances involving unwelcome and explicit sexual overtures. A man makes sexually colored remarks. A man who monitors the use by a woman of the internet, email or any other form of electronic communication. Option D, a man who watches or captures the image of a woman engaging in a private act in circumstances where she would usually have the expectation of not being observed either by the perpetrator or by any other person at the behest of the perpetrator, or disseminates such image. In question number 552, the correct option will be option D. This is related to the offense of voyeurism. Question number 553. When a woman was taking bath in a bathroom, X captures the image in his mobile and upload it on her Facebook page. What offense has been committed by X? X has committed the offense of voyeurism. Question number 554. Voyeurism has been criminalized in India by the virtue of the amendment to IPC. Correct answer is 2013. In 2013, as per the recommendation by Justice Verma Committee, the 2013 amendment takes place and the voyeurism has been criminalized. Question number 555. The offense of stalking is punishable under Section 354D of IPC. The offense of stalking is punishable. Question number 556. A man who monitors the use by a woman of internet, email or any other form of electronic communication commits the offense of option A, sexual harassment, option B, criminal trespass, option C, voyeurism, and option D, stalking. Correct answer is option D, that is stalking. Question number 557. A man who regularly visits the Instagram page of a bikini model woman celebrity and also follows her commits the offense of stalking, voyeurism, obscenity. Man commits no offense. Here the correct answer is option D, that is man commits no offense. Question number 558. A and B are good friends. A proposes to B for marriage, but she denies. A, in suspicion of B's love affair with someone else, monitored her mobile phone and email accounts used by B. What offense has been committed by A? Here the A has committed the offense of stalking. Question number 559. According to the IPC, any man who monitors the use by a woman of the internet, email or any other form of electronic communication commits the offense of stalking. Question number 560. Which of the following acts will amount to an offense of stalking? A postgraduate student walking behind a female teacher, a police officer following a woman for detection of crime, a male colleague monitoring the emails of a female colleague. Option D, none of these. Here the correct answer is option C, that is a male colleague monitoring the emails of female colleague. Question number 561. Even after a clear indication of disinterest shown by a woman to a man, if such a man follows her, then under which circumstance it would not constitute the offense of stalking? Option A, it was pursued under a law, one-sided love affair, due to commercial transaction, none of the above. These all three options are incorrect and option A is correct if it was pursued under a law. Question number 562. A and B are good friends. A proposes to B for marriage but she denies. A, in suspicion of B's love affair with somebody else, monitors the use of a mobile phone and email account by B. What offense has been committed by A? Here the correct answer is option C, that is stalking. Question number 563. Under which one of the following sections of the IPC an assault or criminal force used in attempting to commit theft of property is punishable? Options are Section 379, Section 381, Section 384, Section 356. Correct answer is option D, that is Section 356. Question number 564. The offense of Section 361 of IPC is basically against family, society, any person, lawful guardian. Correct answer is option D, that is lawful guardian. Question number 565. How many kinds of kidnappings are there in IPC? Option A 1, option B 2, option C 3 and option D 4. Correct answer is option B, that is 2. In kidnapping, the consent of minor is wholly immaterial, partially immaterial, wholly material, partially material. Correct answer is wholly immaterial. Question number 567. The word takes in section 361 of IPC signifies taking by force, taking by fraud, physical taking, all of the above. Correct answer is physical taking. Question number 568. Which one of the following is not an essential ingredient for the offence of kidnapping under IPC? Minor child, intention of the accused without the consent of lawful guardian, out of the keeping of lawful guardian. Correct answer is option B, that is intention of the accused. Question number 569. For the offence of kidnapping, what should be the age of minor? Options are 16 years, 18 years, below 16 years if male and below 18 years if female, within 21 years if male and within 18 years if female. Correct answer is option C, that is below 16 years if male and below 18 years if female. Question number 570. The case of S. Vardarajan versus State relates to Section 366A of IPC, Section 364A of IPC, Section 363 of IPC, none of the above. Correct answer is option C, that is Section 363 of IPC. Question number 571. Kidnapping of a female from lawful guardianship can be committed if she is under 16 years of age, under 18 years of age, under 21 years of age, under 14 years of age. Correct answer is option B, that is under 18 years of age. Question number 572. A and B both are of 16 years of age. A entices B for marriage and takes her to another city. What offence has been committed by A? Offence are: A has committed kidnapping, A has committed no offence, A has committed abduction, A is himself minor, A has committed no offence. Correct answer is option A, that is A has committed kidnapping. Question number 573. A is the 17 years old daughter of B. C, without the consent of B, takes A for a tour of South India. C has committed the offence of kidnapping, abduction, wrongful confinement, wrongful restraint. Correct answer is option A, that is kidnapping. Question number 574. A meets a girl aged 15 years in park. She tells him that she is 16 years of age, she is ill-treated at her house by her father and that she would be happy to be taken away from there. Thereafter, A takes the girl to his house and allows her to remain there. In this case, A has committed the no offence as the girl has came with him with her own consent. A has committed no offence as the girl misrepresented her age and A believed her matured and capable of consenting. A has committed the offence of kidnapping of minor from the lawful guardian. A has committed the offence of kidnapping and wrongful confinement. In question number 574, the correct answer is option C, that is A had committed the offence of kidnapping of minor from lawful guardianship, because consent and misrepresentation is irrelevant here. This is the kidnapping of minor from the lawful guardian. Question number 575. Whoever by force compels or by any deceitful means induces any person to go from any places: abduction, kidnapping, slavery, forced labor. Correct answer is option C, that is slavery. Question number 576. Which of the following is an offence of continuing under the IPC? Rape, theft, abetment, abduction. Correct answer is option D, that is abduction. Abduction is a continuing offence. Question number 577. Abduction can be committed against a person of any age, a male or female below 18 years of age, women only, none of the above. Correct answer is option A, that is a person of any age. Question number 578. For the offence of abduction of person, abducted must be option A minor, option B major, option C minor or major, option D none of these. Correct answer is option C, minor or major. Question number 579. Section 362 of IPC, the offence of abduction may be committed with a girl under 18 years of age, a boy under 16 years of age, a person of unsound mind. None of the above is correct. Correct answer is option D, that is none of the above is correct. Question number 580. In which of the following sections of IPC kidnapping or maiming a minor for the purpose of begging has been discussed? Correct answer is option C, that is section 363A. In section 363A, kidnapping or maiming a minor for the purpose of begging has been discussed. Question number 581. A forcibly carries or entices B away from his home in order that B may be murdered. A has committed offence in IPC under section 362, section 364, section 365, section 367. Correct answer is option B, that is section 364. Question number 582. Under which section of IPC kidnapping for ransom is provided? Option A, section 364, section 362, section 363A, section 364A. Correct answer is option D, that is section 364A. Question number 583. Punishment provided for kidnapping for ransom in IPC is up to 7 years of imprisonment, life imprisonment only, death sentence or life imprisonment, 10 years of rigorous imprisonment. Correct answer is option C, that is death sentence or life imprisonment. Question number 584. Under IPC, punishment for the offence of importing girls from any country outside India or from the state of Jammu and Kashmir is up to 10 years if the age of the girl is under 18 years. Correct answer is option C. Question number 555. Whoever kidnaps or abducts any child with the intention of taking dishonestly any movable property from the person of such child shall be punished under section 369 of IPC if the child is under 10 years, 12 years, 14 years, 15 years. Correct answer is option A, that is 10 years. Question number 556. Punishment for trafficking of a person is section 366A of IPC, section 368 of IPC, section 364A of IPC, section 370 of IPC. Correct answer is option D, that is section 370 of IPC. Question number 557. What is not an offence under IPC? Option A, marital rape, bigamy, affray, mischief. Bigamy, affray and mischief are the offences under IPC, whereas marital rape is not an offence under IPC. Question number 558. Sexual intercourse with the consent of a girl amounts to rape if she is under. Correct answer is option D, that is 18 years. If a girl is under 18 years, her consent is not meant, there will be an offence of rape. Question number 559. Recently, Supreme Court has interpreted the exception 2 of section 375 of IPC as sexual intercourse or sexual acts by a man with his own wife, the wife not below the 18 years, is not rape. The case is Independent Thought versus Union of India, Youth Advocate Association versus Union of India, Lily Thomas versus Union of India, 𝐷𝐿𝐿𝐿 Srivastava versus Union of India. Correct answer is option A, that is Independent Thought versus Union of India. Question number 590. Exception 2 to section 375 states that non-consensual sexual intercourse by a man with his own wife does not amount to rape. Presently, age circumscribed for this exception is 12 years, 18 years, 21, 15 years. Correct answer for question number 590 is 18 years. Question number 591. The Criminal Law Amendment Act 2018 amended the section 376 subsection 1 clause A of IPC, increased the punishment for the offence of rape from 7 years to, correct answer is option B, that is 10 years. Question number 592. A commits sexual intercourse with his own wife aged under 15 years with her consent. Option A, no assault, option B, rape, and option C, assault, and option D, use of criminal force. Here the correct answer is option B, that is rape. Question number 593. A promises to marry B, his student, and inducted her to cohabit with him. He has given her a false assurance of marriage and also fraudulently gone through certain ceremonies of marriage, making B believe that she was lawfully wedded wife of A. Later, A refused to recognize her as his wife. What offence has been committed by A? Options are rape, adultery, outraging the modesty of women. A has committed no offence. In question number 593, the option A will be the right, that is rape. Question number 594. A has sexual intercourse with a widow with her consent. A is guilty of rape, adultery, insulting modesty of women, no offence. Here the correct answer is option D, that is no offence. Question number 595. Name of the victim of sexual offence shall not be mentioned. It was held in which of the following case? S. Ramakrishna State, Balwant Rai versus Changi Ram, Gulzari Lal versus State of UP, Rampati versus State of Bihar. Correct answer is option A, that is S. Ramakrishna versus State. This is important. Question number 596. When a man having sex with a woman, even with her consent, man is said to commit rape if the age of that woman is less than 17 years, 19 years, 18 years, 16 years. Correct answer is option C, that is 18 years. If the age of woman is less than 18 years, it will be amount to rape. Question number 597. Where the accused caught hold of a girl, grabbed her by force by the side of the bushes, threw her down on the ground, removed her undergarments, got over her and attempted to penetrate, but before he could succeed, the girl started bleeding. The accused was guilty of preparation of rape only. The accused was guilty of outraging the modesty of rape. The girl was guilty of attempted rape. The accused was guilty of insulting the modesty of the girl. Here the correct answer is option C, that is the accused was guilty of attempted rape. Question number 598. Which section will be attracted if a public servant commits rape on a woman in his custody? Option A, section 376 subsection 2 clause A of IPC, section 376 subsection 2 clause D, section 376 subsection 2 clause G, section 376 subsection 2 clause B. Correct answer is option D, that is section 376 subsection 2 clause B. Question number 599. Which of the following section of IPC punishes for causing death or resulting in persistent vegetative state of victim during the commission of offence of rape? Options are section 376B, section 376B, section 376D, section 376A. Correct answer is option D, that is section 376A. Question number 600. Which one of the following offence of IPC prescribes punishment up to death sentence in reference to the offence of rape? Options are section 376D, section 376C, section 376B, section 376A. Correct answer is section 376A. Prescribes punishment up to death sentence in reference to the offence of rape.